Hello, in this video we are going to dive into the JavaScript find method. This is a powerful function that helps you find the first element in an array that meets a certain condition. Let's get started. So I created an array here. This is an array of objects, and in these objects I have users' names and ages. Now let's say we want to find the first user who is older than 30. We can use the find method. In order to find this, we can use the find method. The find method takes a callback function as an argument. This function is called for each element in the array, and it returns the first element that satisfies the provided condition. So let me show you how we can use find to get what we want. Const user over 30. Firstly, I write my array users, and then my method find, and now I can write my function. So let's name it user. You can name this part as you like. For example, you can make it A, B, C, or whatever you want. So let me use user because this is going to give us single user from here or here or here and return our function. And we want to find the first user older than 30. So let's access the age firstly, user.age, and it needs to be bigger than 30. And let's console log it, console log user over 30, and let's check. And we have the object here, and in this object we see name Charlie and age is 35. But if we wanted to make it bigger or equal to 30, the output should be Bob. Let's see. So as you can see, the output has changed and it is now Bob. In this example, user represents each element in the user's array, like these items. And the condition user.age bigger or equal than 30 checks if the user's age is bigger or equal to 30. The find method returns the first user that satisfies this condition, which in this case, Bob. So let's make it like this again. So let's go over another example. I am going to comment this. So now let's find the user named. So let's write the function again. Const user named Charles, users again, find user, and you need to return the function. And now we are going to find Charles by name. So because of this, we are going to use user.name, and it should equal to Charles. So let's console log it. So as you can see, our output is name Charles and age 45. So our function found the user by name. But remember, find returns the first match it finds. If there were multiple users named Charles, it would still only return the first one. So let's add some new items named Charles. So let's change the ages. Let's check again. Now we see only one item, Charles, age 45. So let's put this on top of this item. So the first Charles is aged 20. So let's check again. Now Charles age 20. If you want to console log all Charles instead of the first Charles, you can use filter function. I am going to show you how you can use filter function in the next tutorials. If you want to do different things before returning the find method, you can do also this. You can write curly braces here. And for example, our first argument is user, which means in every iteration we are going to get single item of this. And the second argument is index. So let's console log index before returning and return this. So this is going to return the same thing. Basically, we only added a new thing inside the function, and it console logs the index. So as you can see, we see our indexes here. Charles has the index 4, as you can see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the condition matches here, and then it stops working and ignores these things. You can also use this function like this as well. Function remove this, and this is going to do the same thing as you can see. Let's put this one to top so that we can see it changes. So you see the age is 55 and it works just perfect. To summarize, the find method is a great way to search through an array and return the first element that matches a given condition. It's perfect for scenarios where you only need a single result and not all matching elements. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that I can share more tutorials with you. Have a good day.